children, welcome back to English online class. I'm Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. Children, in the last class we discussed about simple present tense, isn't it? We understood in what all situations we can use simple present tense, isn't it? We can use simple present tense when something is true and something is always true and some actions which happens again and again. In all these situations, we use the simple present tense form of the sentence. Today, let us learn about simple past tense. So, we use simple present for the actions happening right now. Okay. And where we can use simple past tense? We can use simple past tense when something already happened. Okay, I studied yesterday. I studied yesterday, which means I studied something yesterday, not today or not right now. I studied it yesterday. So this action is already happened. This action is already happened yesterday. So it is past tense. Okay. Now children, here you can see a sentence. What's that? Yes. John worked in a shop. John worked in a shop. Here John is the subject. Worked is the verb. And shop is the object. Here let us see the verb worked. Then what is the base form of the word worked? It is work, is it? Then we added ed with it. Then it become worked. So work is in present tense. So when we add ed, it become past tense. Then the word become worked. Now you can see another sentence. Ravi swam in the pool. Ravi swam in the pool. In this sentence, Ravi is the subject, swam is the verb, and pool is the object. So let us see the verb in this sentence. This sentence is also in simple past tense and the word swam. What is the base form of this verb swam? It is swim. Swim in simple present tense. When it change into simple past tense, it become swam. Swam is the past tense. So here we do not add ed. We cannot say swimmed. It's wrong. We will not add ed with the base form of this verb. So the word itself changes. Swim change into swam. So the first sentence we discussed is John worked in a shop. The verb is worked. Here Ravi swam in the pool. The verb is swam. So see both these words. One word is added ed and another one is not added. The word itself changes. So there are two types of verbs in simple past tense. One is regular verbs which we add ed with the base form of the verb. And another one is irregular verbs where ed is not added. The word itself changes. So let us see some more examples for regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs. Work, worked. Live, lived. Play, played. Beg, begged. Clap, clapped. Plan, planned. Collect, collected. Watch, watched. Irregular verbs. Be, was, were. Do, did. Draw, drew. Fly, flew. Know, knew. Win, won. Go, went. Tell, told. Here you can see in regular verbs we will add ed with the base form of the verb. In irregular verbs we will do not add ed. Children, I hope you understood the two kinds of verbs in simple past tense. Which are they? Regular verbs where we add ed and irregular verb where we do not add ed. So children, where we can use simple past tense? We use simple past tense to talk about an action that is over or an action that is already happened. There are two types of simple past tense. One is regular verbs and another one is irregular verbs. We can call it as regular past tense and irregular past tense. We add D or ed with the base form of the verb that is called as regular past tense verb. When we add D or ed with the base form of the verb, it is called as regular past tense verb. When we do not add D or ed or where the word itself changes, it is known as irregular past tense verb. What is that? Irregular past tense verb. So that is the two kinds of past tense verb.
In your textbook, page number 5, you can see the grammar session. Read these sentences. She cannot eat or drink properly and so she is weak. Second sentence. It was Padmini with bandages around her trunk. She came up to Amma. Here, sentence 1 is in the simple present tense. We can understand that by the verb drink. It is in present tense. Second sentence is in the simple past tense. We can see the verb was and came up. So we can understand the second sentence is in simple past tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about something that is true in the present. For example, my uncle lives in Goa. Second one, things that are always true. For example, the sun rises in the east. Third one, something that happens again and again. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. We use the simple past tense to talk about an action that is over. For example, we cooked beans yesterday. Here we can see the verb cooked. Next sentence, I got wet in the rain last evening. Here the verb is got. We add D or ed to a verb to form regular past tense verbs. Many verbs also change their forms when they are used in the past tense. For example, run changed into ran, not run. Buy, bought. Go, went. These are called irregular past tense verbs. We already discussed all these tenses, means simple present tense and simple past tense.
Children, now let us do the textual exercise, page number 6.
Read these sentences. Say if the words in color are in the simple present tense or in the simple past tense. Here you can see 5 sentences. You have to read that sentences and find out the words in color in simple present tense or in simple past tense. The first one has been done for you. I wrote a letter to my friend last week. Here the verb is wrote. It is in color. So, in which tense is wrote? Is it present tense? The present tense of the verb wrote is write. So, here it is in simple past tense. See the next sentence. We dressed up for the party in a hurry. Here the word dressed up is in color. In which tense is this word dressed up? Here we can see ed with the verb dressed up. It means the sentence is in simple past. Very good. Next sentence. Kirti has a green pen. Here the verb is has. It is in simple present tense. Next sentence. Emma and Ekta play in the park every evening. Here the verb colored is play. Is it in present tense or past tense? It is the present form of the verb is given. Play. Play is present tense. What is the past tense of play? It is played. So this sentence is in simple present. Fifth sentence. Who ate the sweets from the box? Here the verb colored is ate. Is it in simple present tense? No, it is simple past tense because the past form of the verb eat is ate. So this sentence is in simple past. Let us do the next activity. B. Complete these sentences with the correct forms of the verbs in brackets. Here you can see some sentences, they are incomplete, and you can see some words are given in the brackets. You have to fill the blanks using the correct form of the verb. Okay, let us do the first one. I dash go to the market yesterday with my sister. Here we can understand this action happened yesterday. It is already happened, which means it is in past tense. So here the verb is given in the bracket go. Then what is the past form of the verb go? Go, went, gone. So the past form of the verb go is went. So I went to the market yesterday with my sister. See the second one. Emma dash every time she sees a lizard. Here the verb given in the bracket is scream, and we can see this action happens every time. We studied when an action happens every time or every day, it is in present tense. And we can see the subject, it is Emma. Emma is only one person. If there is only one person, we have to add s or es with the verb. What is the verb given in the bracket? It is scream. Scream is in present tense. We have to add s because the subject is singular. Only one person is there. Then the sentence will be Emma screams every time she sees a lizard. Emma screams every time she sees a lizard. See the next one. Bakul dash to eat bananas every day. Here the action happens every day. So this sentence is in simple present tense. And here the subject is Bakul. Bakul is only one person. If there is only one person or the subject is singular, we have to add s or es with the verb. What is the verb given in the bracket? It is love. So we have to add s with the verb. See the verb eat. It is also in present tense. So we have to write the sentence like Bakul loves to eat bananas every day. The subject is singular, so we add s with the verb given in the bracket. So children, find out the answers of the next two questions. Do it by yourself and check the answers given in the Google Classroom. Complete the exercises by yourself.
Children, I hope you all understood today's class. What is simple present tense and what is simple past tense and what are the difference between both these tenses. So children, do the textile exercise. We'll meet next day with a new topic. Until then, take care. Bye.